Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Authentication of Product and Counterfeits Elimination using blockchain. Introduction. Product authentication refers to the process of verifying the authenticity and origin of a product to ensure that it is genuine and not a counterfeit. Counterfeit products are unauthorized or fake replicas of genuine products, often produced and sold with the intent to deceive consumers or profit from the reputation of the genuine products. The primary goal of this project is to enhance product authentication and combat counterfeits. Traditional product authentication methods have two main problems. First, they are not very good at stopping fake products from being sold, resulting in economic losses and potential risks to consumers. Second, they often depend on middlemen or authorities that might not always be honest, making it hard to trust the authentication process. To overcome these challenges, we are integrating blockchain technology. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. In our case, it is used to store information regarding product origins, verification processes, and authenticity checks. And instead of having all the data in one place, blockchain stores records as blocks of data, each with a unique code called a hash. These blocks are distributed across multiple computers, making it much harder for anyone to tamper with the data or compromise the entire system. Blockchain offers several advantages. First, it is decentralized, meaning the data isn't stored in one vulnerable location. Second, it enhances security because the data is stored in encrypted format that is very difficult to alter or hack. Third, it promotes transparency as all transactions are recorded and visible to authorized users. Fourth, it ensures data immutability, meaning once something is recorded in the blockchain, it can't be easily changed. Finally, it is resilient to failures because even if some nodes go down, others continue to maintain the data. And in this project, we use Ethereum, a blockchain platform famous for its creation of smart contracts. These are like digital agreements where all the terms are written in code. These contracts are programmed to verify and authenticate products based on predetermined criteria, reducing the need for intermediaries and enhancing security. Objective of the project. So, as I mentioned before, the first objective of the project is to create a blockchain-based system that can verify products within the supply chain. This means tracking products as they move through various stages of distribution and ensuring their authenticity. The focus is on products coming from multiple distributors to combat counterfeiting, which is a significant issue in the supply chain industry. The project aims to utilize blockchain technology to improve online transactions. This involves reducing the need for trust in third-party intermediaries by relying on the security and transparency of blockchain. An efficient software algorithm will be deployed and developed to ensure the secure verification of products, enhancing the overall trustworthiness of online transactions. Additionally, product details will be stored as tamper-proof digital signatures on the blockchain to establish and maintain their authenticity. And to make the system accessible to users, the project intends to design a user-friendly interface. This interface will allow users to input product details easily, upload barcodes, and interact with the blockchain system for authentication and data retrieval. Requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements: processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements needed are Node.js, Python 3.7.0 and Visual Studio Community version. To execute this project, we have designed few modules. The first module is admin login. The admin login module provides access for administrators or system administrators. Once logged in, administrators can perform various administrative tasks such as adding product details, viewing product details, and accessing user information. This module ensures that only authorized personnel can make system-wide changes and maintain control over the system's functionality. The second module is Add Product Details. In this module, administrators can input and store information about various products into the system. This information typically includes product names, descriptions, barcodes, images, pricing, and any other relevant details for product verification purposes. The next module is View Product Details. This module allows administrators to retrieve and review the product information stored in the system. This can be useful for verifying the accuracy of data, making updates if necessary, and providing assistance to users who may have questions about specific products. The next module is View Users. This module enables administrators to view and manage user accounts and their associated information. Administrators can access user profiles, review user activity, and handle user-related tasks such as account creation, suspension, or deletion. The next module is New User Sign-up. This module is designed for individuals who wish to become users of the system. New users can create accounts by providing necessary personal information and credentials. The next module is User Login. This module is for registered users who want to access the system. Upon login, users can perform actions related to product authentication, retrieval of product data, and other features based on their assigned permissions. The next module is Retrieve Product Data. This module allows registered users to retrieve detailed information about products stored in the system. Users can search for specific products, access the descriptions, pricing, and any other relevant data. The last module is Authenticate Scan. In this module, users can scan product barcodes or utilize other authentication methods to verify the authenticity of products. The system will cross-reference the scanned data with the stored product details to confirm whether the scanned product is genuine or potentially counterfeit. This module enhances product authentication and helps users make informed decisions. Blockchain integration. Blockchain technology is utilized to verify the authenticity of products as they move through the supply chain. Each product is associated with a unique identifier or digital record on the blockchain, making it possible to track the product's journey from its source to the end consumer. This transparency ensures that products are legitimate and not counterfeit. By leveraging blockchain for online transactions, the system reduces reliance on third-party intermediaries like banks or payment processors. Blockchain's inherent security features, including encryption and decentralized verification, enhances the overall security of transactions. This means that participants can engage in transactions with greater confidence, knowing that the blockchain network verifies the secures each transaction. Product information and barcodes are converted into digital signatures, which are unique representations of the data. These digital signatures are then securely stored on the blockchain. The tamper-proof nature of the blockchain ensures that once the data is recorded, it can't be altered or tampered with, maintaining the integrity and authenticity of the product details. Smart contracts are deployed on the blockchain network to facilitate the verification of product authenticity. This algorithm performs the necessary checks and validations to secure that the product details match the information stored on the blockchain. It contributes to the efficiency and security of the product verification process, reducing the risk of counterfeit products entering the supply chain. And data integrity is maintained in the system through the utilization of the SHA-256 algorithm, that is Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit. Each block in a blockchain is linked with a unique hash code. These blocks are maintained across multiple nodes or servers. Before storing new records, blockchain verifies the hash code of each block. If any block data is modified, it results in a different hash code, triggering security alarms and ensuring the integrity and immutability of the data. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is Hello 8th folder. In this folder, I have Node Modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Now open .bin folder. This folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here we can see a run blockchain.bat file. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at the local host and port. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate to compile and deploy the smart contracts. I'm typing truffle space migrate and hit the enter button. So Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They're deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. So this is the contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. And here we can see gas used. To execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts, this is the amount of gas consumed. So now minimize this. Open the blockchain counterfeit folder. So in this folder I have a fake images folder in which I have these images which will be loaded into the application later. So this is the original barcode images folder. So these images will be loaded into the application later. This is static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. This is templates folder. Within this folder we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more representing various sections of the website. This is counterfeit SQL file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file, main.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now double click on it to start the Flask application. So the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address and the port unless configured differently. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. And here we can see admin login, user login and new user sign up links. So click on new user sign up link. If we are new users, we have to register first. Fill in all these details. The username would be Ravi. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. Give the address. So I have filled in all these details. Now click on submit. In the red color text we can see user sign up task completed. Now we log in as administrator. Click on admin login link. So give the credentials, username and password of admin. And click on login. So we have logged in as admin and here we can see add product details, view product details, view users and logout links. Click on add product details link. So here admin can add new product details. Fill in all these details. The product ID would be 2. Give the product name. I'm giving it as TV. Product price would be 50,000. Give the manufacturing details. Manufactured in 2022. Give the company details. I'm giving it as Samsung. Now we have to upload the barcode image here. Click on choose file. So from original barcode images folder, I'm selecting the second image and click on open. So we have filled in all these details. Now click on submit. So in the red color text we can see product details added with ID 2 and we can see the generated digital signatures of product details. Now click on view product details link. So here admin can view the product details of different products. Now click on view users link. So here admin can view the users details, username, password, phone number, email ID and address. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as user. Click on user login link. So here give the credentials, username and password of Ravi. And click on login. So we have logged in as Ravi and here we can see retrieve product data, authenticate, scan and logout links. Click on retrieve product data link. So here we can retrieve the product details by giving the product ID. I'm giving the product ID as 2 and click on submit. So here we can see the product details of product ID 2. Now click on Authenticate Scan link to authenticate product using barcode image. So here we have to upload the QR code image. So if the QR code authentication is successful, we will get the product details. So click on Choose File button. So from original barcodes folder, previously we have selected the second image. So select the second image this time and click on Open. Now click on Submit. So we can see the product details here. That means the authentication is successful. Now again click on Authenticate Scan link. So this time we will upload another image. So click on Choose File button. So from Fake Images folder, I'm selecting the first image and click on Open. So we have uploaded the barcode image. Now click on Submit. So here we can see uploaded product barcode authentication failed. So the authentication is failed. Now click on Logout. So the conclusion here is we have developed a blockchain-based system dedicated to verifying the authenticity of products within the supply chain. The system is designed to track products as they move through the supply chain, making it significantly more challenging for counterfeit products to enter the market. The project has prioritized user-friendliness by designing an easy-to-use interface. This interface allows users to effortlessly input product details, upload barcode information, and authenticate products. By utilizing blockchain technology, the project has reduced the reliance on third-party intermediaries such as banks or payment processors during transactions. This reduction in trust on intermediaries enhances the security of transactions as blockchain's inherent features, including decentralization and cryptographic security, help mitigate the risk of fraudulent or compromised transactions. Data integrity is a critical aspect of the project's success. Product details are transformed into digital signatures and securely stored on the blockchain. This process ensures that the data remains unaltered and tamper-proof, maintaining the accuracy and reliability of product information throughout its journey in the supply chain. Therefore, by preventing counterfeit products from infiltrating the supply chain, the project safeguards consumers from potential harm caused by counterfeit goods. Additionally, it protects businesses from economic losses and upholds the reputation of genuine products, contributing to financial security.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.